Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be building an add-on pack to the Brickmania M113, which is kit number 1032. This add-on pack is the Brickmania Acab upgrade. It contains 58 parts, has a skill level 3 out of 5, and its kit number is 10038. For this build, I will need one donor vehicle, which I just happen to have an M113 laying around. It'll take a little bit of disassembly, I believe, and adding in a few more parts. So I'm going to go ahead and start and see how it goes. I guess I could open up the box first, show you a little bit about it. There's one bag of parts. There's the instruction manual. It does come with some stickers that I will not use. So here's the first step in the instructions. Basically it tells you to reference the instructions for the M113 and build it up to a certain point, and then start integrating the new parts. Anyway, let's get started. It took a little while, but I figured out how far to tear down the kit. That's what's left. The rest of it's in bins already sorted to be assembled. Just a set of tracks and a lower carriage in the back door here. Basically took off the fenders and the whole upper block, the top. Didn't have to redo the front float. Left the back mud flaps on there since they were just going to be rebuilt. I'll go ahead and get started with the build now. So here is the M113 Armored Personnel Carrier with the Acab upgrade on it. A couple of unique changes to the vehicle. It no longer has the mud guard or flap along here that protects the upper part of the tread and wheels. So that required breaking the tank down in the middle here and removing all that. Then it also installed a armored turret on the top. You can kind of move it a little bit till it comes across and hits the antennas. And then the other addition is the two guns towards the back of the tank that can be operated from a couple guys standing out of the upper hatch. Pretty cool little upgrade. I've got one more upgrade for this thing. It's the M163 Vads. It's a Vulcan air defense system. Basically puts a giant Gatling gun on the top and I think upgrades the armor a little bit on the sides. I'll leave this one together like this for a week or two, and then I'll put the other upgrade on it. If you guys get a chance, I have a couple playlists out there. A couple for the hauls, and then one for all my Brickmania speed builds. So you can actually watch them one at a time from the beginning all the way up to this one, which should be on it shortly. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Click the little bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video, and have a wonderful day.